Modifying table design is the topic. Sometimes changes are necessary to the table design because of changes required in the output. For example, before it was VAT, now it is GST. So we may add a field, remove a field, rename a field, or change the data type. So let us discuss it. Inserting a new field in a table. What we have to do, open the table in design view, place the cursor where field to be inserted, then press F10 key, then D for design, I for insert row. A new blank field is added, new blank row is added. Now enter the field name, data type and description. The same rule, we can delete a field if we need. So open the table in design view, place the cursor the field you want to delete, press F10, D for design and select the delete row. Renaming a field. Open the table in design view, place the cursor on the field you want to rename and type the new name. Moving fields. Open the table in design view, place the cursor on the field, then drag and drop where you want to place this field. Now we want to change the field size. So you can resize only the text and numeric field because most of the other data types have a predefined sizes. In order to increase or decrease the field properties, the field size in text is to be set. When we talk about the number in field properties, the field size you have to select, the format you have to select, and the decimal places you have to select. Now adding records to the table. First we have to open the table. So place the cursor on the table, press enter key or double click. Or shortcut Control plus key. Delete a record, select the table, press the enter key or double click to add a record, to delete a record, or shortcut Control minus. Replace the value in the field with the value in the previous record. So what we have to do, Control and inverted comma, Control plus inverted comma. What we have to do, replace the value in the field of the previous record, or replace the value of the previous field, then Control plus apostrophe. If you want to save the record, press Shift and Enter key. Insert the current date, Control semicolon. Insert the current time, Control column. That is the lesson of the day, and thank you very much.